Hi again, this is Ryan with Superhuman Prospecting on another SHP case study video. Today we have a medical supply company reaching out to the healthcare industry. Now, what's interesting about this specific client and the project is that we were doing this before COVID. And during COVID, it obviously was something that was very needed. And this is a client that's been with us for a few years. So we have seen success. They have seen success on these campaigns. So we want to share with you a little bit of how that worked. And it might be a little bit different than we traditionally go about our projects. So let's take a look. Today we have a medical supply company who offers a specific types of medical supply, and we would segment the campaigns based on the product, depending on that month and who we were trying to reach out to and offer to. So they have a wide range of medical supply, and they've been in business for 17 years. So not just something that was started during COVID because of the crisis and the need. The objective of the campaign was to reach out to office managers at these health offices and really just share with them a little bit about the supply offerings, and then gather some information to prepare for a next step. Now, the thing was, it sounds very simple, and it was very simple because we weren't looking to really have much of a discovery. It's a bit more of a transactional sale. So we actually didn't even aim for appointments. The client did not want that. Now, you might say, well, that seems like it's counterintuitive. You would want to take advantage of the most opportunity possible while you're on the call. But we don't always have to do that. We don't all, while 90% of our campaigns are appointment setting campaigns, we can also have lead setting campaigns, a nurture where someone is just open to receiving information, or a warm lead where we can reach out to them, at a non-specific date and time. And that's the only thing that this client wanted. So we can see by the very beginning here, we had over an 8% lead setting rate. So that means about 1 in every 12 or so raw dials, we were able to generate some type of nurture or warm from this situation. So let's look at the script. It was a no bull script. We're getting right to the point. Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm with Medical Device Company. We're a local full-line medical supply company in business for 16 years. We have a new technology for disinfectant wipes that is less expensive than anything you're using now. Would you be free for a short demo with our representative? So, introduction of who we are, a little bit of accolade that in our tenure in business, and then offering a new product to the market and opening the opportunity for a short demo. And if yes, great. What is your email address? We'll send you something electronically. And then next is, can I get your email? If they say no, no worries. Can I get you some information for future consideration? So that was it. And this client was with us, started in 2020, and had multiple campaigns with very consistent success here, coming back to us month again and again. So you can see in this graph, the range of appointments was from about 35 to 10 at its lowest, but average somewhere around 22, 23 leads per month for this client. And so if you look at the results overall, the DM connection rate, or getting to that office manager, was a 10.92. So at 1 in every 9 calls or so, we're getting a hold of somebody. And that's solid numbers to work with. Anything above 5% you can traditionally work with, depending. But the overall lead setting rate then on the dials was 8.44. So very successful in terms of the way that this client wanted to go about the campaign. But one thing to remember is, it doesn't mean that they're always super interested right away. There's got to be a lot of nurture, a lot of getting in front of them, offering up that free demo when the time is right, and there's got to be a lot of work in the follow up. So generating the interest and bringing awareness is a strategy that can work with volume in that, but the nurture and lead follow up process has to be on point. And it was for this client. This particular study here was over a approximately 2-year period. where this client was consistently having us reach out and generating leads for them and finding success. So any questions on this, please reach out to us, because we realize medical supply has been in and out of a hot marketplace. And so if you're within that space, we can provide this case study, talk a little bit more about it, or any others. And if you're looking for services on cold calling within this space or any other, please reach out to us as well, and we'll be glad to help. Are you a company that wants to grow their sales pipeline but don't know how to do it outside of cold email, inbound, and normal channels? Consider SHP. We provide cold call appointment setting and sales development services to generate leads and appointments outbound for your sales pipeline so you can have control over your sales destiny. Give us a call at the number provided or reach out to us in any way. And we're happy to chat with you about how we can cold call and generate leads so that you don't have to. Be excited to do the work for you and can't wait to hear from you.